streaming on
Okay.
YouTube. Guys, be careful if you take open market, like when the market opens right here. A lot of volatility in that first minute to 5 minutes. So gotta have wide stops, gotta know where your targets are. Are you scalping? Usually one of my rules is if I am trading in the first like 15, 30 minutes, I'm usually looking for a scalp.
That was a nice roll down on the 1 second chart. Let's see if it holds here.
Yeah, we're on that, we're on that. Continue. Lower. These are my zones and levels to watch. So you see how we're rejecting that area of interest at the moment? So I'm not looking for long positions here. I'm looking for short positions here. The long position right here in the middle of nowhere was not part of my trading plan. I'm not doing it. So I'm just waiting. And if it wants to start to sell off, right, quote unquote, without me, I'll wait until we get a little bit of a pullback and then I'll enter. Or I'll wait for some type of confirmation. Because right here, if you short right here, you're shorting the bottom and it might reverse back up on you.
Yeah, I just printed a monster opening bar there on the 1 minute.
Stupid ninja trader, man.
Here's retracement right here. I'll get out of your hair in a minute. I'm going to be chattering too much.
Hey, get out of here. No, I'm just kidding. Yo, Microsoft's popping right now. Went from 325.50 to 329 right now.
Noise.
That's insane. Look at this move, guys. It's huge. Meta's also pushing pretty strong. Meta and Tesla inverse of each other, which is like crazy because a lot of times those two stocks follow each other, even though they have nothing to do with one another. Except Musk and Zuck had that pretend fight for a little bit. Whatever happened with that? Microsoft's with the push way back lower. Again, guys, I'd be looking for a bear position here, or I'd wait and take confirmation, and then take a better position.
So either be a double bottom or consolidation for a 1-for-1 down.
Yeah, I'm waiting on that. Look, Nasdaq is trying to make these new lows. ES has not wicked the previous candle's lows yet. Staying patient, staying patient, staying patient. Right now, Nasdaq is weaker of the two, so I'd be looking for a Nasdaq short over ES. But right now, again, like I said, I'm sort of waiting on some type of pullback, some type of confirmation. Now, if this candle does want to close down here, what I'm going to look for is this. Nice. A pullback and a retest either at VWAP, which will probably be around over here, or this white trend line over here. And I'll take that short. What just happened? Let's see, 30 seconds, staying patient. Not chasing, do not chase. We do not chase in the stock market. We be patient and react to our zones and pre-planned trade setups. Alright, so it was a strong drop on Nasdaq, right? So I'd maybe consider scalping a short position. However, that's not in my trade plan either. I'm just giving you guys ideas, thoughts, how you could trade this. But if you take a short here, you know, we're scalping it, we're staying with it. Good push, good push. Nice. Here, let's do this like this so it looks better. Good stuff. But I'm staying patient. Apple's still sort of in this zone too. And if Apple could hold that zone and try to push bullish, along with Microsoft. Tesla's selling off pretty strong though, right? So it's Nasdaq's a lot weaker. Tesla new low a day, Nvidia new low a day. So weakness in Nasdaq. But we're not shorting down here. We short near the candle open, and that's it. Especially if we're just trying to scalp and follow a trend. Because if we short down here, exactly right, that a big wick could come right back, and we could start this position red right off the bat. And that's not how we want to start a trade.
We just completed a 1-for-1 down.
Nice ES weakness. Probably gonna see a push. Maybe would have caught that if I wasn't busy trying to finish typing up the my what's it called, my ES trade plans in the watch list thing, but that's all right. I'm chilling. Look at that drop, guys. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. Nice.
There we go. No longer a bear trap.
Nice. No, yeah, no. Well, now it could be.
Well, we can get a 2 for here because we still haven't hit the bottom of the channel on the SPX quite yet. We've got another 20 points.
Now you're gonna say at the bottom now it's not a bear trap anymore. You know we're gonna get some pullback. Just gotta be patient.
There we go. Up to the 20.
Hope you guys all had a good weekend. Apple week. I sort of want to take this scalp short now because of how weak Apple looks. Nah, I'm only if Apple makes a new low a day right here, which it's close. It's literally like a tick away. But it's not. It's not, so I'm waiting. Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, big wicks. Now though, if you go short here, you got a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Stop probably at the top of this candle, target at the bottom of this candle for continuation. But I'm staying patient on this because I don't want to dive in here for shorts in case we want to reverse and start to pull back. But I'm still watching the supply zone up here. I'm still watching a retest of this trend line and VWAP over here. Just staying super patient right now. Look at that. Look at that. Nice pullback.
What did he grab? And let's see where we go.
Anybody do anything exciting over the weekend?
Took some parts off an engine.
Yeah? Did you put them back or you just kept them off?
I'm deleting them.
Nice. I got about a minute left on this 5-minute. Apple's starting to pull back a little bit. Tesla's weak again. And I'm staying patient here. I don't want to play either direction right now. At least until we get a candle closure. If we get a candle closure and it's like a long lower wick like that, I might look for a long position if the body closes up here, which we got about 40 seconds left. Could even take a light long position here with the stop loss at the lows, but the bears look too strong. I wouldn't take anything. So do not go against trend. Apple new low a day.
Boom, they just broke support.
Nice. All right, I'm gonna let's scalp this. I don't know. Let's see. Let's scalp it. Super light. Super light. Much time we got left? 10 seconds. Nah, let's not catch the bottom. Let's not do that.
That's a 1 second liquidity grab if I ever did see one. Bam.
Nice.
Now we smoke down. See ya.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
1 second, 1-for-1 has it to 42.18.
I'm gonna look to get out that real quick.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Bulls shouldn't be
I feel
here.
like bears are gonna want this to continue though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some more contracts. I do like the bears on this right now, guys. Staying a little patient though, but that momentum's pretty sick.
Quick comparison with SPX says
Nice.
4180 is a target on SPX, so
careful with this, careful with this. What's that 15-minute looking like? Oh, we are reaching a 15-minute demand zone though on NASDAQ, so be a little careful. I might scalp this trade. Alright, I have a few contracts still riding. Let's go. I'm gonna completely exit. I'm not a fan of that right now. Especially because of that 15-minute demand zone. So, little scalp, like 10 points because we had a crazy strong move. So we're chilling, we're chilling. Demand 15.
I thought you didn't put that 15-minute on. I have that. Though.
This 15 I didn't, but now I do. I missed it. I missed it, and I would have got away with it if it wasn't for you. What is it? Something kids?
Meddling kids.
Meddling kids. How did I forget that? So now what I'd look for is a liquidity grab, right? I want us to trap sellers down here. If we could hold this zone over here, I want us to trap these sellers.
Getting some bear love right there. Sorry. I had to post that gif.
That's a pretty solid scalp, quick scalp. Still liking the bear momentum though. Apple new low day again. We're gonna get a push lower, guys.
Now, that guy doesn't look nervous at all there.
No. His whole head fit in that bear's jaw.
Oh my god. Nice. Apple trying its best to do its Tesla impression by making new low a day. Let's see if we hold this bottom of the zone, guys. If we hold the bottom of the zone, that'd be pretty clean. I might look for a long position right now down here. But I really don't want to fight this trend, because if we just break the zone, I don't want to be in a long position. This is a point where we stay patient, you know what I'm saying? There's no reason to rush into something, especially a counter trend trade.
There's 360 contracts on the buy side at 42.10 on the ES.
You know what though? Part of me wants to enter the trade down here, so I at least have a super low entry point. But let's see if we break it though. I do want to stay a little patient. Yeah,
I got it.
see, that's why we
221.
stay patient. Bye-bye. But now it gives us the opportunity for a real liquidity grab because we just wicked a previous low. Now if we want to wick down here, hit all these stop losses that were at this low, then wick right back up, create a small body, long lower wick. I'll look for a long position, so I'm staying patient still. Got a minute, 10 seconds left? Yeah, I could wait a minute and 10 seconds. Look at that.
42.16 and then dump.
Apple new lows though. Microsoft new lows, Tesla new lows, Nvidia trying to bounce, Amazon new lows. Equities are weak. Let's see. 30 seconds. Apple with the big wick. Meta with the trying to push back higher. 20 seconds left.
Those 42.10 contracts just jumped to 454.
Nice. I'm gonna load some, I don't know, I'm super light in a long position right now, but like ridiculously light. Trying to catch the bottom type light. Yeah, not the biggest fan of that.
Still staying bearish.
Yeah. Let's see though. Let's see. Nice. Let's see. Trap those. Yeah, nice. Look at that, guys. Nice pullback.
Okay.
Nice pull. Look at that. Oh. Talk about catch the bottom. You heard it
Right.
here first. You heard it here first.
See
That
if they
was
liquidate that.
clean. That was clean. I'm gonna scalp right out of that in a second.
Are they going to grab liquidity there or are they going to push it?
I think we're gonna go back down. That's why I want to get out of this.
Yeah. Feels like it.
Throw my sell order out there near the highs of this candle. Still in it. I might move my sell order up a bit. I want to see if we get a strong push up, then I'm gonna hold this. But if we fail to engulf that previous candle, I'm going to dump this. Bears coming back in.
Yeah, those
Apple
42.10
try and go bearish
contracts didn't
again.
go anywhere.
If Apple flips and stays bearish, I'm going to reverse this and go back in the bears. If Apple could try to bounce again, like it is sort of trying to do right now, could stay bullish. Dude, I gotta put the heat up. It's so cold in here. Nice, I like that push.
Still sleeping with the windows open down here.
It's freezing in New York. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna look to get out of this. Microsoft's making these new lows again. I'm gonna reverse there, guys. Much rather be in shorts than longs right now. And I'm gonna stay patient because I do want to see if we get a push up. And I'll add to this short position. Ooh, Microsoft with a wick though. Let's see. I'll add a little there. Apple pushing green on this candle. Oh, I don't know. Bulls might take it. Oh. I'm adding on that again. Oh, bulls. That's crazy. Oh, man. Hurt my feelings, bulls. I caught you at the bottom before.
They could put us at a 42.24 for a 1-for-1. Yeah, they're trying. There we go.
Bulls ain't messing around. I'm out of that short. Obviously, just got stopped out. That's crazy. I should have held those longs. I knew it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's alright. Now we wait. We wait and wait.
I've done 6 points for the day. I can be good. That's not bad for a night that I didn't get any sleep.
Nice. We gonna make it back on this next trade.
Alright, yeah.
Sorta thinking of taking longs here, but I'm not going long at the top because why would I do that? Yo, those long positions I took down here was crazy. Oh my goodness. Should have held those. Should have trusted myself, guys. Oh my god, that's crazy, guys.
That was a sick candle.
That would have been a 70-point move in 5 minutes.
Right.
But now we're coming back in your VWAP. I said I wanted that as a retest to go short again. But that was a strong bull candle. And Apple's still running a lot of... Do we have news right now? What's going on, man?
Who knows? I haven't even looked at news yet. Let's see what's on the calendar.
20 seconds left on this 5-minute.
Oh, consumer confidence at 10.
Oh, that's it. Ready to moon today, guys?
Right?
It's gonna keep popping.
Crazy.
Right?
Crazy bulls.
So crazy.
No fear.
None whatsoever. Bulls
Bunch
are
of
gonna
Warren
continue on
Buffetts.
this too.
Buying the fear.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm still thinking of a short position up here. But
Yeah.
maybe we retest in here. Because I still wanted this 30-minute supply zone up here, but I also wanted the VWAP retest. And that's the VWAP retest right there.
Yeah.
Tell you what, give us
That's,
one more little pushback higher. I'm going to take a short position again.
I jumped in with a light position there. Here's why. I'll show you.
Apple key level, Microsoft area of interest. Yeah, give me a pullback real quick. Push this candle green one more time if we want to. Doesn't look like we want to. Let's see though. Because then I'm going to grab a short position.
Upper band poke.
Sort of thinking a long here. Just because how strong that previous candle was. Like, holy shit. But, nah, I'm gonna wait, see if we get some shorts up here.
42.30 target met. Next target's 42.27 if it breaks this.
Anyone in here using the footprint? Got any in-depth market situational stuff going on?
Not me.
No. Alright, so we pushed back where I said I want us to push back green again. So I'm gonna take a short position.
Currently running 1 second candles.
That doesn't sound stressful.
Keeps me sharp.
Gets the blood flowing.
Yeah.
1 second candles.
See, we're 1/3 into a control bar from that big pop. 42.26 is target for extension. 42.27 is for target.
Grab another short right here on this push, but it's really feeling like bulls want this to continue right now. I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to take unnecessary losses right now.
I took 2 points from 42.30.50 to 42.32.50 to 42.30.50.
Nice, yeah.
I exited right there.
All out. All right, 1 for 2 today. We're 1 out of 3 today. It's all right. Rough Mondays. Mondays could be tough. Really want this supply zone up here.
This is not.
Yo, really annoyed I didn't hold this long position. That would have been 100 points, bro. 100 points on NASDAQ in 10 minutes. Caught that bottom. Damn.
I was just barely fast enough on that 1 second chart. This is another upper band poke, but it's got strength here. It can go all the way to 42.39, 42.40.
Nice. Let's see.
On Friday, I caught the high of a short, and it was a bearish trend day. But I got out of it before.
Nice.
I couldn't hold on to it.
It's hard, man. It gets hot.
It does.
There we go. 42.40 target in sight.
Right. I mean, I'm waiting on the supply zone to go short at this point. I'm not taking any more ridiculous trades for no reason.
On ES, you're coming close to your 1 hour supply.
Yep. Both of them getting close to that. And that would be, if we look at this bull run right here, a lot of people are going to be saying bullish, but we got the supply zone, so we'll check it out.
I'm on 42.38 and then break. There's 100 contracts sitting at 42.38, and then 42.40's got 250.
Nice.
Weirdly, though, at 42.40 and 50 cents, there's 360 contracts sitting there to sell. Interesting. Very interesting.
So that's this is sort of the rejection we're getting now. Something I was looking for too. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yep. It's twice poked the upper band there.
Yep. Nope, not anymore. Not with how that just closed. Oh, but it might be.
It's a topping pattern now in 1 second. We just confirmed it.
I'm going short again. I know I said I wouldn't. Super light. And like super tight stop. These trades just ain't working right now. Said I wanted supply. I'm out of that. I'm waiting for supply. I'm not going against myself. Trust the setups. Trust the plans.
Yep. They just finished a move to 42.38 like clockwork.
So yeah, trust the setups. Trust the plans.
ES is entering a fair value gap on the 15.
Nice. Good call. Really good call. Yeah, come on, Bulls.
42.42. Here we go. That's at 42.40.50. That order block just went to 360 contracts. That's a weird spot. They usually don't do the 50-cent split.
Those are fishing orders so you can get to 42.45 and close the gap.
I think so.
So it's like, oh, we're going there. And then you can see gets quickly, it's going to just disappear.
Yeah, it's like a carrot.
There you go.
All right, guys,
Yeah,
I'm putting
it hit-
some short
you see?
positions out there.
It hasn't even hit it, and you can see that the numbers are fluctuating. There you go.
Yeah, it'll fudge around.
Give us one more pop. One
And
more pop.
42, 40, 50 is the start, the top of the 15-minute Keltner as well. So
I scaled out at the same target twice. Check this out. I picked up that pop a little too early.
Come on.
now 42, 43, 50 it's looking like we're gonna head there since everything else has been absorbed.
Microsoft new high a day. Give me that short position fill. We're a few ticks away. I do have a limit order to sell. I think we pop into this. All right, I'm in short.
I went
Oh,
long.
You're in long?
I went long. I'll be out in a second though.
All right.
Boop. Oh, I didn't hit the button fast enough. It's all good.
yeah, no
Let's
need
go.
yet, man. We're still got one more point to go.
I don't know, man. I don't know, man. That's a pretty clean entry so far.
That's how slow I was on the button. I caught that flash of red breaking 8 period, and by the time I hit the button, I was at the bottom of that candle. It's okay, it's still profitable, but not as
Any
much as it could.
divergence? Anything else to give us a clue for a reversal? Not seeing anything. It's alright, we're chilling. That was a good entry. Good entry. We're short right up here at this key level. Minute 45 left. Apple trying to push higher. Microsoft is not near new high today. Never mind.
You shorted NASDAQ, Kevin?
Yeah, I'm short NASDAQ 14,640. Nice.
I'm still liquidity
Nice.
crappy.
Nice.
Watch that 1 minute 8 period though.
So I want a liquidity grab candle here, guys, would be ideal. Then I'm going to go super heavy on this trade. Oh, no, shoot. We got news at 10, right?
Yep.
Oh,
Careful.
yeah, I got to be super careful on that.
2 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, putting some stops out there.
I clipped that bounce off the 1 minute 8 period there, but I only got
40 seconds. Come on, give me the candle I'm looking for. You know you want to.
1 3/4 points.
42,
stuff you just-
45, 42, 45, coming up, 42, 45, coming up, 6, 48, 25, coming up.
This is stuff you just can't do on TOS.
Got 20
Scalp
seconds
one.
left.
Scalp a 1 second chart on TOS, you'll go broke.
What news is it? Consumer something?
Consumer confidence.
We might pop from that.
I bet we do. There's a liquidity zone we just entered right here. And that goes for all the way
As a
up to
consumer, I'm confident that I'm not buying anything anymore for the rest of the year.
right. That goes to 42.58.55 on the liquidity zone there for conversion from SPY numbers to ES numbers.
Staying short. I'm thinking we might pop though a little bit. The news hasn't really made us move around that much yet, so I'm gonna put my stop back to the top of the supply zone and sort of wait to see if we get a different type of liquidity grab candle up here rejecting supply, because we did still reject supply on that candle.
Microsoft has a liquidity zone all the way up to 330, 330.70. Sorry.
Meta was pretty strong the last 5-minute candle too. Tesla's pretty weak right now. I like that for the shorts. Apple
going
trying to be
42.45.
strong. Where you got us?
42.45 is the next target.
Gotcha. We do have ESs at this key level now inside supply too. Being a little careful here, guys. Considering taking ES short. I'm liking these short setups here.
Last liquidity grab. Let's see if they snatch it. Go Bulls.
Go Bulls, go Bears.
Bears can take it for sure. They can take it right
That's
back down
great.
to like 42.37, but
That's great. Nah, bro, look at the daily.
yeah, they're gonna hop it here. There you go. Liquidity grab done. All they gotta do is push it past 42.43 and we go to 42.45 like nothing.
Daily's been so bearish. Let's follow this trend. Trend's our friend till the end of the trend. And at the end of the trend, there's a bend. Let's go Bears. 3 minutes left in this 5 minute. That was a nice push. Nice push.
They're about to tag 42.38 and then bounce.
Nice push. Nice. So you guys are long still?
I'm looking to go long at 42.38.
Alright. I like these Bears.
I just snatched the liquidity grab right back to 42.40. 42.41.
I like these Bears, but we might pull back. We might get maybe a rally-based rally candle, right? So I might switch my bias if that's how we close. But as of now, I'm still staying patient. Apple
Still
trying to
gotta-
make new highs. Be careful.
Still got a couple 1 minute bars to consolidate and be a rally-based rally. But so far, nope, that candle just closed under the 8 period on a 1 minute. Hang on. And we did make a 1-for-1 retracements down to 419.50 on SPY, so we could be bearish for a moment.
Nice. Look at that rejection off that key level 2 on ES, guys, in that supply zone. Super clean. This key level had 3 confirmations. It had the supply zone, it had the area of interest, and the key level. Super strong resistance right there.
Let me finish my drawing. Go.
Amazon's trying to bounce right now. Same with Apple's trying to push higher too. Bulls might come back. Minute left. Staying patient. Here are Bulls. Apple new high a day. Waiting for this candle to close. We'll consider a reverse. If this gives us a hangman candle though, I'll add to it. I'll let that bounce a little bit, add to this short, and then ride it. But
I missed the liquidity grab, dang it. I had a limit order sitting at 42.38. It didn't fill. I was going to sell it at 42.40,
I sort of want this to close green.
and I didn't get filled.
Guys, the reason I want this to close green is because that'll give me another sort of candle structure confirmation to go short, right? If we get a small green body up here, like right now I want to add to my short position, but I'm going to be a little patient on this because I do think we're going to bounce up a little higher one more time. Got about 5 seconds left. Yep, really a fan of that. Give me one more bounce higher. I'm going to add to this short position. Apple trying to go new highs. Come on, give me a bounce higher. Push this candle green. I'm going to add to it. Oh, come on.
1 second
Just like
RBR.
that. Just like that.
1-for-1 to
Adding to the
42.38.
short position, guys. This is good. I think this is going to be a good one. Do you want to stay patient? Nice pop.
Bam.
I'm going to add again on that.
Nailed it.
Adding, staying really tight with the stop loss, though.
Good morning, guys.
Yo, good
Morning.
morning, good morning.
Check this out. This was limit orders nonetheless. On a 1 second chart. Ah, I just deleted it by accident. I hit Control C instead of Control V.
Oh. Alright, guys, I'm ready for these shorts to start banging out right here. We got the hangman, we got the pop, we got this fake out candle right here. I want to see a strong push lower now. Apple rejecting. That's what I want to see. Microsoft pretty weak too, Nvidia weak. Tesla's trying to push strong right now though, which is tough, so be careful.
Calling a rising wedge there.
Yup, let's go. Let's go Bears, take over.
That was limit orders on a 1 second chart.
Let's see. Let's go Bears.
Maybe I ought to lose sleep more often.
Nice, nice. Oh my goodness. That's crazy.
Like that.
Come on, Bears,
Spotting
trap
those
these
1-for-1s,
bulls.
man.
Come on, Bears,
Those-
trap these bulls.
Those 1-for-1s on any time frame, y'all. They're so reliable.
Nice. Bouncing around here. Jumping around.
42.38 target.
Buyers keep trying to step in here. I'm watching the tape. I'm being careful. I don't like that buyers are stepping in like this. I'm staying patient though. Still got 2:30 left in this 5-minute candle. Tight stop on this. Buyers stepping in again, but ES is failing this key level again. I'm staying patient. I'm in pretty heavy on the short side right now. And I'm staying patient.
Just be careful, because if they consolidate here a couple more 1-minute bars, they'll start pushing into that next liquidity zone above.
Got you. Good looks, Jeremy. Yeah, buyers do look like they want to step in again here.
Yeah, I'll get the drawing out.
Microsoft facing a little bit of rejection right here. Ooh, strong pop on that. Staying patient. See if that wanted to be a stop hunt. Nice. Nope, not a fan, because now we're trying to go back up there again.
Okay, finally got the drawing done.
Let's see. Let's see. Look at that big pop just to get wicked right back lower. Let's see if that was a stop hunt and if we're going to get our push lower now. We got a minute left in this 5-minute. I'm still in these shorts, guys. Want bears to step in and start hauling butt.
Maybe.
Just like that. Come on, Bears. You know you want it.
They're trying to hit a short target at 42.38, but I think they'll bounce it right there.
Order
there's
submitted.
There's some carrot orders
Apple
at
weak.
42.37.
Apple, strong sell-off on Apple right there. Apple still trying to push lower. I'm liking these bears, guys. 15 seconds in this 5-minute, though. Being patient. Might even
Hey,
consider
boo-boo.
adding to it at some point. Let's go. Go, Bears, go. Look at that. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Staying patient. Gives me one more bounce to that key level, I'll add.
Come the bulls. Watch this.
Watch this. Jeremy dumps $3 trillion into the stock market, pumping it against me.
I wish. I don't have anywhere. Well, I don't have that much capital.
Yeah.
Certainly not. Let me go borrow from a hedge fund.
Yeah, right. Alright, give us a little pop.
Let me a few billion. I'll do it.
Give us a little pop. I'm gonna add to this short position. Alright, I'm gonna add a little there. Sort of messes up my entry a little bit.
There they are.
Oh,
Order
bulls.
submitted. Stop, Bill.
think there is a Bollinger Pinch here on the 1 minute chart,
Oh.
so this could be just a poke. So hang on.
Gross. Gross. Bulls coming in, wrecking our position.
Still Bollinger Pinch. This might just be a pop for liquidity.
I hope so.
It's really tight necked. There's not enough liquidity here to really move, so I think we'll probably consolidate here a few more bars.
Consolidate. Can't we just go back lower?
This is a salute to John Bollinger right there. The pinching of the bands. That was
Right.
liquidity.
Back green on that trade. What craziness in this market right here. But what that's telling me right here, all these big wicks and all this consolidation sort of makes me think a lot of sellers are filling their position. We're going to get a push lower. Like, the longer we're waiting up here, the stronger the move lower we might get. And if that's the case, this is going to be a great trade. So we're going to really be patient on this, wait it out.
Oh, I'm sitting waiting. Not trying to scalp this garbage.
Apple trying to push lower again.
When the Bollinger Bands pinch like that, you finish the consolidation, you usually get a very explosive move on the outset. It'll give you a sign or two just before it pops, either direction though. There's no direction in this consolidation.
I like the area we're rejecting up here. I'm not stopping out on these pushes, guys. I'm just not. My stop bet is at the top of the supply zone.
I just took a tiny scalp there, but
I'm gonna add average out my
mismatched it.
position.
Damn, dude, it missed me by one tick again.
What's the top of your supply zone? Mine's
Is that
42.
14,669. Oh, you're looking at ES 42, 47, 25.
I had 50. All right, good. Thank you.
For sure. No, tell me this thing doesn't want to blow right up there.
I got a limit sitting at 42, 44, 50 to exit. There we go. Done. I had a bad entry on that one. I had a bad entry on the previous one too, but there, I'll show
I'm
you.
gonna respect my stop. If we blow right up to the stop, I'm stopped out.
I was trying to trade the 1 second while staring at the 5 second for these entries, so these weren't great entries, but the exits were good.
Apple trying to bounce, holding an area of interest. Microsoft staying strong. Yeah, I sort of like bulls right now. That's tough because I'm obviously in a short position. So I'm just waiting on this. We still haven't broken the supply zone. 30 seconds left in the 5 minute. Yeah, I bulls might want to continue trend here, guys. I don't know. I'm staying patient on this candle. Let it close.
Bollinger Bands are still pretty tight here, so.
Oh, bulls. 10 seconds. Yeah, we might go higher.
The heck? Whoops. I messed that up.
Super not a fan of that anymore, guys. Super not a fan of that.
Just starting to open the Bollinger Bands now. This might make a very explosive move. There it goes. Liquidity grab right to the 8 period.
Are you talking about the 1 second chart right now, Jeremy?
Looking at the 1 minute chart, just touching the 8 period, and Bollinger Bands are just starting to curl out a little bit, so we'll get some volatility coming in here pretty quick for a move. It'll either be a 1-for-1 up, like my drawing there, or it'll be a retracement all the way back to the low.
Sort of want to grab ES longs here at this key level, see if it would hold that to, what's it called? to strangle NQ2 because I still am short Nasdaq.
Kind of cool how you can strangle two different things.
Yeah. Nice bit of pushback.
All right, testing the
Nice.
20 period here.
Not
This
jumping the
feels
gun. But that was nice.
This feels a bit more like a bear trap right here.
Yeah, I know. I'm thinking the same thing. I'm thinking we're hitting this key level here to bounce, but I'm trading my plan. Trading the plan. Trading the plan. The man with the master plan. Thinking of a master
Right
plan.
at support right here.
Yeah, Apple trying to bounce.
Yeah. Just to kind of answer your question a little bit there, I'll trade the 1 second chart, but I'll be very hard pressed to try and teach with the 1 second chart. That is like,
Got you. That makes sense.
yeah, I would have a hell of a time trying to call out the 1 second chart and trade it at the same time.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
5 seconds is about the limit for where I can balance between teaching and trading.
Gotcha.
That support bounce was awesome. Methodical.
Kevin, this is where you say gross.
Gross. I know, right? Gross. Nasty.
Going back to 42.45, and guess what? Our upper Bollinger Band just started to curl upward. Here comes some strength. Watch this trend out and start opening up.
Nah, gross. Minute 53 left.
Bulls are in this.
I know they are, Jeremy. I know.
Sorry. That 1 minute chart,
definitely
man.
I'm considering reversing, but because we were able to push lower before on this 5 minute, I really want to let it close, but I also don't want it to start running against me again pretty hard.
They could consolidate and retrace that bullish engulfing bar there on a 1 minute chart, but I don't think they're going to do much more than that for bearish movements.
We're back near my stop. I moved my stop up. Yeah, stopping out of a few.
Bears have given up at the moment. As soon as
Yes,
we break 42.45, they're gone. See ya. They're out of the picture.
Yeah, I'm out of that, guys. That was that was rough.
42.48 target, 1 for 1 on a 1 second. Extension to 42.49 is possible.
Damn.
42.48 met.
Oh.
Here comes 42.49. Come on.
Gross.
Nope, yeah.
Horrible starts of the week, guys. I'm sorry, man. That's annoying.
It's rough,
That's
bro.
super annoying. Is what it is.
There's a lot of, well.
Yo, it's extra annoying because I caught the bottom down here before, and I scalped it, and I could have held that for like 140 points.
Hey, it's okay, Kevin. I gave up. I gave all of my gains from this morning already on trying to get a short. As you were hitting that 200, I was trying to go short there, but I think this is the moment right here. We just hit the liquidity.
Yeah, it just hit the angular on the ES too.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're liquidity there.
This time of the market couldn't be better for me to make a transition to kind of lean on Bollinger Band teaching a little bit. And this is exactly why. Study those bands. When you see them pinch like that and you've got a setup for potential 1 for 1, watch for when those bands start to point or to curl away from each other. And you'll usually be able to catch a very clean break out of that.
All right, Bulls, you want to go
Okay,
go higher?
if you're
Let's
gonna
go
push it,
higher.
then let's go to 42.60. Come on. If you're going to push it, let's do this, you know?
Right?
Retracement first, 42.46. At least that's where my limit orders are.
I don't know. Bears are stepping in again. Bears got to knock it off, man.
Watch that. Watch that 8 period on a 1 minute.
No, I'm thinking we do reject here because we rejected the below demand in reverse. Now we're rejecting above supply in reversing.
Damn it. Keeps missing my limit order.
We don't chase here. Maybe we get in on this pullback here, but we be careful. We don't chase. Chasing's never in the plan.
Come on. They keep teasing my limit order.
Feeling like Bears might want to step in for a push here.
Look at that.
Fries are done.
Oy.
That 1 minute 8 period is gold.
They're the Bears. Let's see if we can retest this key level now.
All right. 42.44 in sight.
Order submitted.
Ninja Trader sucks, man.
Yes, it does.
What in the world?
Getting back into my flow with Tradeovate, and it seems to be working good so far.
Tradeovate's okay. I like Tradeovate because you could use TradingView.
Yeah. I like it because it's probably got the best 1 second charts available.
Nice. Better than TradingView?
I think so. I like TradingView, but I think when you get down to like the 1 and 5 second level,
Oh,
you
my
can notice TradingView lagging just a little bit,
Gotcha.
and that's enough to shut me down from making some beautiful scalps.
Gotcha. Look at these Bulls guys, just not giving up, man.
I know. It's like
They should.
This is
not
what
the third.
this is what is called walking the upper Bollinger Band. This is exactly the example here. This is why I use that 8 period so much. Right here.
Going long. Gonna scalp this. Looks like it wants
Target build.
momentum.
Stop build.
42.50 and some change. Target met. Oh, damn it! I was late on the button.
Oh,
All good. I still got it.
We've just entered a 15-minute fair value gap on the ES.
Nice.
Yeah. That's that second half of the liquidity gap I have, or liquidity zone I have mapped out on SPY there. Same thing.
Let's see if we want this 3 hour up here. That's what I'm looking for.
We go north out of this. There's a big ass chop zone up there from the morning volume.
Nice push.
Agreed. Who is that talking? That sounds like a new member.
It's Marziti. I've been lurking for a while.
Welcome to the voice side.
Yeah, Marziti kills it, man.
Nice. Always welcome to have new voices in our room here.
Yep.
That upper band lock, man, that is just glorious.
Come on, Bulls. Let's continue.
This is RBR. We're looking for 42.54 on a push if we hold support here. Bollinger Band's pinching on the 5 second chart now, though, so be cautious. We could go and retrace a little lower down to 42.48 again.
Jeremy, I finally accepted that Bulls have control.
I was just waiting to see the trend change. And once I realized that we made a primary move and we were consolidating, I'm like, nah, this looks like Bulls are going to have this at least to half of that move.
Nice.
It's, I mean, like, I've said this before, like, you could take two traders, sit them next to each other. One of them only trades bullish, the other one only trades bearish.
Right.
and they'll both make money trading the same equity, same instrument. But if you switch their chairs, man.
That's funny. Yes, let's go. Give us a pop. Pop, pop, pop.
RBR, and we're gonna break. But watch for a quick liquidity grab, because sometimes they'll snap this right back down to retracement.
No, don't say that.
Well,
I'm just
comparatively,
kidding,
we're at about the halfway point of that 1-for-1 on a 1-minute chart. So if they're gonna snatch liquidity, this is where they would do it.
Apple's popping. That's what I like to bring NASDAQ higher. Apple popping at Microsoft. If you could start to go higher too. Apple with a little bit of a rejection. Not a fan of that.
Liquidity grab underway. Set my limit orders at 42.48.
3
I might bump
minutes
them up
left
to
in this
42.48,
5-minute.
50. This is my moment to really stand out with those Bollinger Bands, man. Not everybody understands how to trade with them, but it takes a little bit of learning to get them right. But when you do, they really start to feel like training wheels.
Nice. Let's see if we want to hold that zone. We just retested this zone. I'm going to add to this long position.
I got filled at 42.48, and I'll ride that if it goes higher to 42.50. If it goes too far below 42.48, I'll probably bounce out with a loss.
Yeah, dude, I'm getting chopped up today, dude.
It's rough.
Yeah, for real.
I just felt like
I've been killing it the past few weeks, though.
I just felt like doing a 1-second chart today. I kind of get like these modes, I guess. Some days I feel like doing it, some days I don't.
I don't like that Apple rejection right now.
Yeah, this is going lower. Damn it. Where are we at? 1 minute. Oh, control bar on the 1-minute chart. There it is. We're going to revisit the 20 period right at that base. I think we're going to hold. Consolidate 1 bar, and then we'll see where it goes from there. So get that on the graph there. Do you see that big green bar to the left there that just popped off the 8 period on a 1-minute chart? We're revisiting the base of that candle, and that happens to be about where the 20 period is.
Nice.
So we'll bounce here, and then we'll probably consolidate 1 or 2 more bars before we decide to either finish the move or retrace back to the bottom of that liquidity zone.
Nice.
Go. And it just breached 20 period.
Apple trying to bounce. Let's go, Apple. Bring us higher. NASDAQ's like, I don't wanna. Not feeling it. Oh, Apple strong drop. Be careful.
Finding that tipping point on a 5-second chart is even more fun when you add Bollinger Bands. Caught it just before. See how we got that consolidation wave on a little mini bear flag on the 5-second chart? Bollinger Band told us, okay, we're walking the lower band. We're rejecting the 8 period repeatedly. Quick liquidity grab on the end of the bear flag, and then bam, we pop over for a 1/2 for 1.
Nice.
All right. We could see bulls come back in and retrace that. They're looking for 42,
Come on,
40.
bulls. Come on,
7
bulls.
for retracement.
What's VIX doing? Has VIX been making new low a day? Yeah, it has been. Haven't been using VIX today.
They got 42, 46, 75, and I said 42, 47 for retracement.
Nice.
Close enough.
All right, ES off that key level. Let's see if that's where we want to bounce.
Bears took it right to the liquidity zone.
Yeah, Bears ain't messing around now. Now they want to step in.
Hang on, we just printed a 1 minute doji.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
They'll definitely retrace this.
I'm liking where we retested on VIX as well. But part of me thinks NASDAQ wants lower before it goes higher.
There they come. 10 seconds left on this candle. I'm going to retrace that last wick on that doji.
Apple with strength, Meta new high a day. Okay, I like it.
There's half.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Does anybody have that post-it note that says half and whole?
What is it?
Half and whole.
Half and whole?
So when you're going to retrace a 1 minute candle, you'll either get half the candle or the whole candle. Very, very typically.
Gotcha.
Same for 5 minute candles and pretty much every candle, but
Yeah, looks like we want to drop here, guys. I'm out of that long position, but holy cow.
pick up a measured move, you'll either get half the expected secondary or the whole thing. Sometimes you'll get quarters and thirds, but for the most part, you'll hit half or whole.
Gotcha.
Same with liquidity zones and retracement areas, whatever you got. Half and whole is like the golden rule. All right, so we retraced completely back to our previous consolidation zone. We could turn here.
Give us a dump. Yay. Yay.
Just touch the previous baseline. Let's see if we hold it.
Alright, I'm out. I scalped that short. I needed to. I had to make some shmoney back.
Right?
Now I'm thinking longs off of that key level, though. But I'm going to stay patient on this. That was a strong drop candle.
Gotta get your bare teeth bloody once in a while.
Yeah.
Bears might take this. We broke previous support of our previous consolidation, so I'm gonna sit on my hands and wait for the break.
Yeah, I'm waiting on this too. Apple pretty weak here. Nvidia pretty weak. Meta pretty weak off of a key level. But I like where we bounced on that, and that's what I wanted. So I'm gonna go long in like 15 seconds.
There's a micro double bottom on a 5 second there. Let's see. Bear flag or pop? Bear flag or pop? Bull target would be 42.40.50 if it pops. If it breaks down, it goes to 42.36.50.
I want to see us hold this key level again. Apple looks really weak though.
Yeah. Bear flag breaking over. Watch for support. 42.38 to 42.36 is an easy 2-pointer.
Grabbing in a few long positions here.
See if I can make this textbook.
Might reverse that.
Bink, done. Oh, that was awesome.
Bro, I'm just fumbling today. Oh man. Gotta shake it
the
off.
market is chewing me up.
Yup, same. Same.
This is
Definitely one of those days for us, man.
This is a tough ass market, guys. But you start
Sometimes
taking this to a 1 second level. This chop is glorious. And these are only like little 1 and 2 pointers. They're really not that big. Like that first one you see in the picture there, I got 1 point exactly. I got short at 42.30, or no, long at 42.38.50, and closed it at 42.39.50. 1 point. The other one I made. Where is it? It keeps moving, so I got to hold my cursor over it while it moves.
I want to push lower again.
Sold at 42.38.50 and bought at 42.36.50. I had that move plotted though. I knew exactly where it was going to go.
Guys, this is the current position I'm in right now. Long position. Stop like VWAP maybe. Not even. Stop right here. Is this a 3-to-1, 4-to-1 almost?
I would challenge people though to try something totally out of their wheelhouse, just to get experience on it.
Apple pop.
Switch to paper, and go scalp that 1 second chart for a minute. See how fast you can pick up chop and know when to take a trade and when not to. It is an absolute challenge, but you get it right, man. You can just repeatedly nail those little 1 and 2 pointers on a day like this.
I want us to push lower again so I can get more long positions.
We're consolidating just below this previous support of our previous consolidation. Let me see if I can map this for you. I don't know where I'm getting this brain power from because it has 0 sleep, but
dude, that was me. I when I brought my mom to the hospital the other night, it was like 7 at night, right? And I pulled an all-nighter there with her, and she fell asleep, and I had nothing to do, so I was like, all right, I guess I'll look at charts on my phone. Bro, I took like an hour and a half long NASDAQ trade, and it, dude, it was like a 70-point gainer at like 3 in the morning.
That's nice.
Yeah, that was pretty dope. Look at this long, guys. That was nice.
I got a late entry on that, but I swear I call it the lizard brain. And like when you can shut off the conscious brain, the one that's always making noise, and just listen to the dumb brain, the lizard brain.
Nice.
It just works out so well when you've trained it, you know. And that's where you make those trades. You're like you just feel like a damn zombie. You have no mind.
You follow
right.
Instinct, pure instinct.
That's it. It's like you train it for long enough, you get enough screen time, dude, and your lizard brain just sort of knows what to do.
Yeah.
It's incredible. I don't understand how it works either, but sometimes I'll have a day like this where I'm like just on fire, even though I didn't get any sleep.
Nice. Yeah, this was pretty lit. This was a good long entry.
I caught it long at 42.43, but I'm going to probably take profit here and rewind, depending on what this next 5-second candle does.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Yeah, I'm looking at this next 5 minutes, 20 seconds left in the 5-minute candle.
I'm out.
Thanks, Kevin, for that one.
You got that?
Oh, yeah, I got it from the bottom.
Nice.
I got a 1.5 points. I missed most of that.
I got like $100 on that one.
Yo, good shit.
I was chipping my teeth and got the last bit of it. That was it.
I'm adding a little bit to this, guys. I do want a winner to run today, so I'm going to add to that a little bit. Might get a bit of pullback, which is okay.
That was a horrible trade for me, but hey, I got some of it.
Adding in it.
Last week I had a couple days where I was a little iffy, but for the most part I was on fire. I felt good.
Nice. Come on, Bulls, take this back over. Let's go. Another push. One more push.
Hold on.
One more push.
There we go.
What's the higher time frames looking like?
Good if we can close a 1 minute hammer here.
Bullish.
They are looking bullish. They are. Except if we're looking at the lower highs we've been making on the higher time frames.
We didn't get a hammer. Wait for a pullback.
I'd say the higher time frames are still sort of looking bearish right now. Just based off of lower highs, higher low type ordeals. Type shiznits. Come on, bulls, take that.
Good. Did I draw the megaphone?
Nice. Draw whatever your heart desires.
All right, let me draw the megaphone.
Draw dollar signs.
Right? I like dollar signs. Oh, there's the apex right there. Bam. All right. Dun, dun. Hang on, let me get my crayons out.
Bulls are like, I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Well, we're just under the regression.
Tesla with some strength.
Why? This will look like a liquidity grab in a moment.
Nice. A lot of resistance on equities at the moment. There we go.
But what happens when we cross that regression line is we get a full measured move. And see if I can draw it fast enough to get it out. There we go. Just finished.
Nice.
You see what the chart is cooking? Oh yeah!
Do you smell what the chart is cooking?
What was that guy's name? Oh, there's The Rock, and then there's Randy Savage would be like, oh yeah.
Let's go. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Take this. Let's go. Let's go. One more pop. Keep that going. Keep that going.
Break that regression line. Let's go.
Keep that going.
It went right to the regression, 42.48 almost. There it is. Just finished it.
Keep that going, Bulls. Keep that going. I'm going to look to sell some contracts. Nice pop. Nice pop right to that. All right, I'm going to get out of 6 contracts there. I'm still holding 6. I went pretty heavy on this trade because it was a higher probability trade.
I went 4 long at 42, 45, 75. Late entry.
Tell you what. Yeah, you know what? We got you guys see what I'm seeing? We got divergence now.
Yeah.
Give me another pop and I'm going to reverse this. If ES fails new high a day, I'm reversing NASDAQ, taking NASDAQ short at that supply zone.
We wicked through that regression line, but if this closes like this, we're going to pull back.
Give us a pop. Give us a pop. Nice, nice. Maybe I won't reverse it. No, I do want to reverse it. That thing looks like it does not want to hold higher. 54 seconds left. Apple, though, looks pretty ready to push up again. So that's sort of why I want to hold this long position.
A lot of wicks.
Yeah.
1044 1 minute candle was right on the regression line. It was a spinner. So I'd like to see a quick pullback to 42.46 and then continuation. It could just continue from where it's at after consolidation, but I'm going to be a little leery of getting long just yet.
Come on, let's run. Let's run. Let's run. Let's go.
And that's a 5-second double top to a pivot, so careful. Wait for the break.
Pop, 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 pop.
There's a crap ton of orders sitting at 42.50, by the way.
Yeah, I know. This is such a strong zone on NASDAQ, too. Damn it.
It's only a double top until we get full flag.
Yeah, there's that supply zone, guys. That might be the top. I don't know.
I'm gonna stick a limit order in at 42.47.50.
I'm still in some of my long position.
Order filled. Let's see if we can hold it. No.
Yes, rejecting that trend line right there.
Hold the phone, Gabna. Bollinger Bands are contracting right here too, so this is looking like the compression side is going to take shape here into a diamond.
I'm still with these bulls right now, but definitely be wary here, guys.
Yeah, it's a rough spot. We're off the 8 period here to a good start with this 1 minute candle, but it's got to breach that regression line from the megaphone pattern to go anywhere.
I'm not going to exit or add to this position until this candle closes.
1 second chart says no, but the 5 second chart says yeah.
Stepped out, Kevin. What position are you in?
I'm in a long right now. I took
okay.
I took 6 MNQs down here, and then I added 6 more up here, scaled out a 6 up here, and I'm just holding them right now.
Yeah, I entered a long, but I exited everything at the top of that.
That supply zone? Yeah, I know. That was I know I should have exited in full too. Sometimes I like to leave runners, sometimes I like to exit in full. Definitely should have exited in full because we broke 1 supply. The odds of breaking a second aren't too high.
You think we might get a retest of that supply zone and then go short?
Ideally, yeah. I mean, we could see that. That's definitely a potential, yeah.
It's just it looks pretty strong on the bulls right now, but I know the overall trend is short, right? So
yeah, that's true. That's very true. So now I'm red on this long position on these last few contracts. Should have exited in full before. That's okay. Staying patient.
I filled a stop for a 1 point loss. I think I just found out what's going on here. We got a diamond forming.
I told myself I should have reversed up there too. And we had divergence. Oh, billion% should have reversed up there.
Yeah. Well, we rejected that regression line pretty plainly. That should have been the sign to get the hell out. The weird diamond, but we're starting to show the compression side. If we go through that 20 period here, we could see this thing pop out and run for 42.42.
I sort of want to add to this long position here.
I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, definitely gonna wait. Minute 20 left. I gotta get started to get going, guys, in just a minute, so we'll try to see how this candle closes.
You can see the diamond starting to take shape, but it's a rough one. The output side's too wide on the entry.
It's a diamond in the rough.
It's a diamond right in a liquidity zone, so it could go either way. That regression line, that white line you see right there, that's the go no go line. So if we break above that, cool, we can be bulls. If we reject it one more time, we're definitely bears. For a short period though, we're only bears to like maybe 3-4 points down. It's not much.
I'm getting ready to add a couple contracts onto this. I do think bulls want to hold us. Tesla new high a day. Apple's wicking back up.
What are you targeting on this? Because that supply is above the supply zone?
Yeah, not above the supply zone, but like towards the top of the supply zone, somewhere within it. If we get strength and we just look like we want to blow right through it, that's cool with me too.
For me, we're right in the middle of the liquidity zone, so we're just under the middle point. I'm thinking bears are going to try to pull this together and take her to 42.42 and then bounce from there back up. I want to wait for a confirmation candle though.
Nice.
All right.
I'm gonna add to this trade. Bears are trying to step back in though. That was a bearish candle rejecting supply zone though. Be careful.
Took a light short at 42.47. Let's see if we go.
Yeah, not a fan of that.
Nice move. Continue. Nope. Retrace. I'm watching a 1 second chart, so it's like I'm gonna be like squirrel.
Yes, no.
Right. There's rejection number 2. Come
nice. I'm thinking this candle's gonna
Nope.
look something like this candle where it just explodes.
Yeah, it'll do it. We're at that regression line again, though.
Yeah, gotta be careful. Nice.
We're also at angular resistance too. On it. If this is going to be a compression side of a diamond, then this is where it'll turn around.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw some sell orders right back at this level right here, guys. Just a few sell orders. 6 contracts, gonna look to scale out of like 2 right here, just to get out of to lock in some gains.
Wow.
So you're gonna put sell orders for the ES or just reverse your position?
No, I'm just exiting my position.
Ah, gotcha.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna
I'm
wait.
out of a few contracts now on NASDAQ, still holding.
This says we just broke the regression line, so I might just flip this into a bull move. Yeah, Bollinger Band's expanding. We're going for it. Gonna walk the upper band.
I don't think we go
Testing it.
for it. We still have that divergence.
Testing regression. This will be the candle that signals it all right here.
Giving us a lot of volatility right here, guys. VIX tried to make new low a day, which is bullish.
30 seconds.
Alright, guys, I do have to get going, though. So this trade better work out right now, because I gotta go. So let's go.
Same,
Come on. Come
I
on.
think we could,
Let's go.
I gotta go register a car I just picked up. So
Nice.
picked up a beater for the kids to learn, and
Cool.
they show them some cool stuff too.
I learned in a field car. That sure was fun. Just
Nice.
bumper cars with the trees.
I got him an old Camry to run around in.
There you go. Alright, guys. Bears stepping back in here. I'm staying patient on this. Got a minute 50 left.
I showed him how to delete the balance shaft assembly for a little more power, a little more fuel efficiency. What those things do is make it less vibrating in the cabin.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna like walk away for a second, let this trade sort of do its thing, and I'll stick around for another minute. But then I gotta get
Take the-
going.
I did manage to take a little profit from that short. That was a bad entry, but good exit. But now we're just going to consolidate here for a few more bars before we go anywhere.
Apple trying to push higher. I think we gotta push higher here, guys.
I'll stick around till 11. But
I don't know, Nvidia's weak. I don't know, a lot of other weakness going on.
I'm going to stand in line at the DMV for a couple hours.
That sounds fun.
Right?
What are we at? 40 seconds left? I need this thing to pop like right now. It's not.
What's that kid's movie with the sloth at the DMV? Yes. Every time I go there, I think of that scene.
Sellers are trying.
And bands just pointed towards each other. We're going to go to the middle.
We think we go lower?
Just a little bit. SPY target is like 420.80, and the ES would be 42.42.
I like this
No.
inverse hanging man candle. If we could get a little drop one more time, I'm going to add to my long position. Yeah, just like that. And I'm going to add to my long position right there. Tight stop. Nice. Tight stop loss.
Yeah, 42.42 looks like the winner.
I like this buying pressure that just came in there. That was a really good ad, guys. You guys saw what I did there, right? Waited. This was an inverse. Waited for the little pop drop. Then we were going to get a pop. Nice, nice, nice.
What did he grab? Watch him push it right to 42.
Apple trying to push higher too. Nvidia trying to push higher. Tesla trying to push higher.
It's at 42.47 again.
I'm liking this so far.
On the 5-second chart, that was a micro double bottom after a 1-for-1 down. Took us to 50% retracement, so we'll probably visit the bottom at 42, 44, 50 one more time, and then we can probably get one last push for a quick scalp before 11 o'clock.
Nice. Yeah, I'm going to throw some sell orders out to close my position. First order will be right here at this 3-hour supply zone. Second one will be a little above that at that level. Third will be somewhere around up here.
All right, come on. You've had
I
enough
do
time
have
to
to get
consolidate.
going though. Guys, have a fantastic trading day. Have a great day.
Take care, Kev.
Be well. Talk to you all soon. Guys on YouTube, don't forget to join our community, bullishbears.com. Take care, everybody.